Hello everybody and welcome. Let's get right into it since we got a good one for you today. So what exactly is Tableau? Well, the technical definition is it helps you simplify raw data into an easily understood format. Or, put another way, in simple terms, it helps you transform this into this. So really what you do is you take your big, unruly, illegible list of data and you convert it into a fancy visualization. And that's Tableau in a nutshell. Tableau is highly intuitive, easy, fun, and can be a great career boost. In this course, you're going to learn the fundamentals of Tableau. You'll start off by kicking the proverbial tires. Then you'll learn some basic calculations. From there, you'll learn how to create some nifty visualizations, and ending up with an overview of dashboards and storylines. This course has been made available for free in the hope that it might help somebody, somewhere, somehow, in some way. So if you're looking to enhance your resume, learn a new software skill, start down the path of data analysis, or whatever your goals may be, we'd like to formally invite you to start this quick start course in Tableau. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you inside the course.